akaruru katangire kurungi kurga kasheshe bitu habandize hagwa injura icyo tishiremise minyeto kubasa kwerundana no kubasa korondomo ibembezi obo barkwenda no barabe habire haba mwaka jagaro kandi umunyamakuru witu abaze kwiko mwanya ogwo okuraho bimwe ahabigambo by'minyeto abamwe babembesha haringa nabandi barkwere ko buhagize bwabo hari yabo abarkwenda kuterera karuru.
No, we cannot have your complaint to go on.
You see, when you keep talking, you are getting annoyed for nothing. Let's handle it and the man.
So the Electoral Commission, you start making irregularities. We can't keep saying
yes. The fact that Nitwe Binji Omihangeri because the last concluded the population census mwaka gwabi ogwenkumira abera eminyeto tukashanga we are 75%. People, youth, sate and drop. Yes, 75%. So itenke minyeto shikutuma na mnonga. Minyeto tutwine merumu. Habucheko uwo nshanju na butano. Almost obucheka nkankaga ninga atanu na butano tutwine merumu. So nitwenangu omunyeto obutorasindike kutujwekera itenga region ya Western. Inshonge yarabanze kukoraho no kurebeka ngo yatwarira kadito mu parliament nitwenke minyeto batugera bateraho maybe funds na rishibari bwo kuba kubasa kutwengeginga kugira ngo ejo unemployment rate facing for all along yabasa kucendera minyeto bonite twagira ekitwaye kwa
umubabire besimbereho habe harimo owekitenesa honorable mwine tumwebaze owekibina cha NRM abenitwe Manfur owekibina cha FDC Barija Innocent owekibina cha ANT na Merembe Precious owekibina cha DP Chumra Matha owekibina cha Gemma Mojone Leonard obiratine kibina Wixa Debra owekibina cha National Unity Platform Musinguzi Dennis obiratine kibina kandi hona nangwa na nakandi Babra obiratine kibina bamwe mbabaze kwikomukarura kanangwa no kureba nagabo no kureba ibikugenda misho iwabo kwasa kwita ba observers ababazeganiraho no munyamakuru wito bargereyo abinje no kushobora hanshonga yo kugira ngo bwahate minyito mu ndo muyangira Uganda terkwetinga munyishengero kwasa kuza umwishengero kubajwikere ibintu byabo kureka habaho emikorre mirungi mu ministries daro zimwe na zimwe eminyeto niba neganyurwa mu kihango okusinga kuteka yo mwebembeze orashike yakashitama
abaturikirize amazina ni banyita Julius Tindumwebwa ndiwo kibina cha ANT ndiwo mwa national coordinators ba ANT abakutama kitebe kikuru Uganda nejo mukaruraka kurebe birukufaho ahabwe kibina cyanjye of course na nabwa Uganda yone ngo nicokore ndiyo misho ga TV z'empango kuzigambira ngo ekiryo mu Uganda turukwetaga karuru nitwetaga service delivery nitwetaga mizi marungi nitwetaga ubujanja burungi nitwetaga amashomero marungi eminyetege netaga emermu netaga kugisikiringe katunga emermu netaga kujwanzya omurushaji cyubusya bwakatari kensi yona hata kukaroho bakweta modern market trend konka terkwetaga karuru billions za sente za hosohorerizo hari aho turukurebera ahifaho TV gikwene basakuranzwe handi hake hariho deski emwe neya isi erigaba sente transport fund kandi haruna deski ndijo eya movement erigaba sente za movement sincere bagira ngo baheze mtwaro 50 emtwaro 50 wagihereza abantu abijaha delegates 12,500 bikimanyisa ngo abantu waza kohereza sente mtwarata buri yomwe nza kuhendera tukushoza nka 1.6 billion ubutabarika ikumera mukaga konkezo sente zazo mwirwaro ryambara zikareta mu bushaji burungi bw'ubujanja ziri kutuyamba okukira kutera karuru buzamazi mu Uganda ntwetaga karuru ninga ntwetaga ubushaji burungi bw'amagara gitu bw'emtwarize yitu bw'emermo y'abinyeto abakabazire bitu hata bakura ntwetaga kwatu inemermo yo kubayamba eje myete yituzire ntwetaga iremermo yo kubayamba turukwetaga karuru kwakuyo kwikiriza buzime myeto tekwetaga MP netaga emermo netaga ubujanja burungi netaga transport nungi aho kaba MP abutuye no mu parliament nabatumara kora ubushaji bwa Uganda yona aho turukwetaga
Zasimagajis ahawa GNTV Omurimbara muri mbarra ntitikiri kandi tikiri mushonga eza karuru babesi imbere mu kubasa kuganiraho no munyamakuru witu yo bururo bwo bukiru kuterwa barigire yobona no kwereka buzuma ko bururo ubu bubeburumu inji bubeburumu kugurira nangwa na sente nyamwinje kibarigireyo no kuteka bakugira ngo evina bantu mwe bereke kuteka sente omubaba bakwa bezi imbere ho na mnogo mbururu kobu obwe minyeto bwa handengo za hansa hona nabwe abinji barigiye no kwereka kubuzuma batashemerirwe ahabwa kandi tomwe obabembatura okugira ngo abena tamusente bite nawo kabuzibwe honorable mwine tumwebaze arigiye no kugira ngo nawe yabihuriraho ngo bamujyana ngo natamusente konka we hine ziyateka mukureka kandi we warigire no kuhababa kubabembateka musente.
That ballot paper shouldn't appear. It shouldn't be placed with
ababebesi imbere mu karuru k'eminyeto kubasa kubajwe cyo mushinje kuri ihanga rya Uganda karje no kufite rizari ya nyuma abazyo na munongo mu burenge bwiza w'ihanga rya Uganda babasize kuganiraho no munyamakuru wito obutubasize kutunga kagisha bababe bari mu kufitera karuru kabo ahacisha icyantara mu rembo rwambara kandi ubona bingi bayirekere okwatwaho awe sente zironze yongera kuzombururu umuntu mu ihanga rya Uganda barakugira ngo icyahika nkabona cyarengo gwo muramuzi ahabwo kuba ngo sente zabe sente bona bitwasize kuganiraho nabo ababerebesi imbere hante beje barigireye no kwereka buzuma kwishonga za karuro zibirembe munonga na munongo mu burenge bwiza bw'ihanga rya Uganda ahubwo bibero tine sente tine cyabena gamba kandi abatine cyakwishara
baritera kimwe sente bahereza sente but on condition that ukweza kutera karuru waiza katikinga ukatera kishani that will be evidence yo kuhereza sente so itwe nk'abandi bakanditse abesi abatagerezeho kubeha bisemenyesha semwe we are saying no, that is not true. Tera karuru kawe kurungi ukakube kurungi ukatwara mu box so igenesho ngambi kandi sente ziyo nzijira kimwe nebibina party zagwenga head kusindika sente zamenyesha mekwane ifuna it is only allowance imitwaro makumi nkaga yesade bafuna imitwaro ashatu hatu babashimye kwana basayininga balance yabo imitwaro ashatu zibe imitwaro nkaga zugwe then batahi kumara kutera karuru ushobora kukereza balance but the problem is that hata bagabe sente ni factions zibe kumara kutera karuru commission yakereza balance imitwaro ashatu na NRM yakereza imitwaro abiri
tazibadde free and fair era tubaddawo tulaba abantu abagaba sente excessively abantu nabo intimidating abaana okulonda candidate ali specific kata nowewunya how free is the election.
But the highest form of justice obuli bwenguzi okusingira ikimu kurora ngu last time election yenu ekabambarara na hati mu biro bina byonka bagishiftingire bagiha fotokoto bagireta mbarara again batatugambire ensonga habwaki kiki yenyine kikubahambiriza kubiha election yegyo toro bakagireta hano so ekyo ita hali abacandidates tushemere ntorora there has been an injustice.
Allegation ezo kugira nti ndio ninga basente nabanza kuzigurira kunganya nko muntu agira ko candidate yaga basente kandi twaterera polisi yazayo yakora ki yaba stopping
ubwa hati tindu kuza kugira ngo yabonire nko kutubire ntugenda abo kuba twagize remeshonga ningashi kareho twagira meshonga ingashi twafunaho amahurire ninga intelligence kugira ngo bamwe mu ba candidates ningashi umuritwe yaba nakoresa umuringo go kugira ngo abana bagenda n'amasumo gabo bakuza kutera karuru batera karure kishani baruga kutera karuru ubundi bagire kibabahereza inuritani konke cyo kutwamara kucumanya bace hari twembo kutwese imbere tukerezingana twagira ngo no ahubwo burungi bwaka karuru twino kurwana kurengo ikiti cyabo nico kitwagira ngo katusitame hihe na nebox na ebafu ziba kutera makaruru kugira ngo umuntu atajiro atere wihaye sumo munsha kutera karuru
sente ziri mu karuru tinka zireba kandi njijumira na manganje go tinka umanye hituriye ntuzanike n'inyeto kandi umuzira rukwata kakore cyo kintu manana itomwana itwe nturugansi nanko kuna bashobora leadership yanjye nturugahansi twereka ngo ntuza kubovu abebembeza from one step to another omwe bamureta bamuteka habo kugira ngo umuzire natekateka ngo innocent uzikubasa kuridinga abandi. But you've seen all these people that are here. Most of them come from a humble background, but they are also leaders. Hati chita hope yo mwana arinkanye kuja kuba mwebembezi bwenu tutwakine bururu mazima mu youth elections.
Mwanyuma yo kugamba ibizibu bibabaze kutunga nangwa n'uburemezo batungere hona nabwo barigere no kugira ngo babebehireyo okukora eminyeto baheza kutunga ubuhanguzi kandi byone babigambira akaruru kakiri kuterwa katakabazere bwanyuma akaruru ko kurgaye no kurangero omukuganiraho nabo barigye no kugira ngo ubuzima abinje nibenda kuteka amano mu minyeto na munonga abebembezi b'eminyeto hamagombora abandi ngo nibenda kushakira eminyeto yona n'abandi barigye no kweraganisa kuba kwenda kuja korera eminyeto abino buri mwamagara gabo
konkambiri nyine binji by'eminyeto nebinji nebe nakoze kuzi ncheri general secretary w'eminyeto tukalobinga heifas from the central government buri leader yafuna central yafuna heifas. As a youth council in Mbarara City South, within the first 100 days in office, I had already lobbied 50 million for the restoration of riverways from Bank of Uganda. Single-handedly, umwanga habi ni wakansa abakuwasa kore icyo kintu.
Nicyo batekeraho at least 15 minutes kurora ngo wabazana abantu bawe bakoma dakiki 15 kurora wabazana abantu bawe bakoma ukabetegereza isakiki cyenyine kikulesere umuramwa gwawo ogwizire nekyo kwenda kukora beiteki tubaine ngutiba kukora ekindi buli region hostinga elections zin okuba obaire hati ankore next time atemeri kuba Mbarara Toro next time akaba Bunyoro next time akaba Kigezi
abantu ninga youth leaders abari most in touch na naba youth naba sub county kubanga no baku interacting n'abana on a daily basis. Nka the sad thing is umurege structure ya the least empowered umuntu ekateke anje twatu yabo kwatininga true representation tune ku empowering ba sub county leaders with the right tools na with the right funding abase kuza ground batuyire information ya kwasa kutuyamba kukora the right policies
emyeta inibizo byingi aho bakoreba no kwega bakoreba level of poverty ryo mu byaro bya western region kugira ngo n'abazira fair to afford kutwara abana amashomero ebizugo byingi by'emyeto yene konka ni impamya ngo twakwatira hamwe none emyeto abo kwanko mwebembezi mbaye mango na yebemba tinkuza kwembera nyenga inzagaruka nkorengane nabo abandira
emyeto ni nyenda nyo kugikora sako zo mu sub region zona za western Uganda sub region zitano at least ntanikena sako emitwara 5 nezo sente ziba kutugabirizo nezo kugura motoka no jiguro teminyeto takafune icyo kugiyamba emyeto twinemo abana emyeto bimuga kino rukubagamba no shangu bo tubarazi. So I'm thinking about the disabled as well.
Nzasimuka just awa GNTV agarukosi. Tubasize kurgayo no kuganiraho na returning officer obira kurira karurako aha mwanya nugugumwe owekitensa atwijukere Ismail Taki kandi mu kuganiraho neitwe arije no kugira ngo buzuma nashonga zisente nawe yazuhuraho konka babemba hababa babe batine bujurizi kandi echo tukeremisa karuru kugumiza mu kakagendo mesho ecyarije no kugira ngo akarurako kabira ku businge mu kuganiraho na nabwe yonje no kushobora hashonga ahabwaki bahindwire okutera ubururu kurwo muri Fort Portal okubasa kubureto muri Mbarara ari kugira ngo Fort Portal bakarondo umwanya go bakwasa futekamo abane 294 byarema nuko kushara mu kubagarra muri Mbarara ecyo babingi abesimbere babe baticerezine nacyo. Returning officer obirayibembire nangwa no bire nakura akarura kabekatero izabanya nyuma abazi yakiminyeto ahabo burenge bwiza bwihangiriya Uganda ogwasa kusora no munyishengero abajwekero mu ishengero kuri ihangiriya Uganda on parliament yo murundo gwi 12 owekitensa atwishuke Ismail Taki ahona arigire no kuganira ho no munyamakuru wito obwa karuru kabekagendo misho izabanya nyuma abazyo aho akishaye cya ntare omurembo rwambara ari kugira ngo buzumeshonga zigenzereje kurungi munonga kandi omubwiro butubente mwihiraho amahuraga aragiye no kuchamya kwa karuru kabeka karungi kandi kurwo mukasheshe katirwa mbusinje mpaka bushoro mwazi
exercise eji le kwata district sasha 8 zoburenge rwizoba kurga Bunyoro Toro Rwenzori Ankole na Rukiga na Rukiga. So irizoba twatera karuru keminyeto kandi twatandika shahemwe katera kagendaje hata undi kugambira turi munsi za kukabara in the presence of the candidates agents and supporters. So akarundu katambura kurunje.
Ismail Take argireyo no kuhamya kwa bana bakuhika 2024 no bargireyo no kwejumbira mu karuraka izariyanywa abazyo kandi hona agizere ngubona batire kurunji kandi yahamya ko buzima karurako katire bafuno muhanguzi bamurangira no kumarangira
2000 n'abantu 94 bakurwa mu district 38 tubaye barwo mu sub counties bashatu na no municipalities hamwe na naba unsa babiri bu district na nomwe umbarema aha district level.
Ahanshonga yabesimbira kurgayo no kwitombwitwa kugira ngo sente zibire sente mu karuraka kandi bagurira bateze bakaruru bingi arije no kugira ngo nawe abihurireho ngo konka tino bujuruzo burigirayo no kuritwa babemba tongana bakugira ngo ubuzima oyiburwenguzo bwaba bwingi yajarije no kugira ngo bonka ba electoral commission bakoze umwoga gwabo bazamizindara bamanyisa abantu bona bari kujunanizwa aha bintu ebyo okubyitantara ngo ahubwo ko bakwatwa nibije kushazwamo ngo hatariho ubujurizi oburesoro
ngo harimo voter bribery kandi twabashaba ngo batworeke abantu bahereze sente tubabasa kutworeka konka kuba tugambira tugaruka tuzamuzindaro tugambira abantu tugambira n'abantu batera karuru ngo otaro kwereze sente kuko kugira ngo itwenke electoral commission abantu abija bona tubahereze sente ezo kurara na transport.
Taki hona na wachungira kagisha kuko basa kutushobora habwaki babasize kwindura ubururo bakabugarura mu rurembo rwambara kandi ubeburiye bwo kuba Fort Potro ari kugira ngo bakashitama bareba ngo Fort Potro aha winshonga z'umushana n'ingenjura bakareba gutine aha bakwasa kuteka abana 12 bakaza kandi batatira injura nuko kushama kugira ngo babagare ahari intare akugira ngo bine ebyombe ko bikwimarira n'ikishayi cyango okukora hemermo n'imyoga yabo ufitera hakaru omu businge
niyo kukabaguri Fort Potro kandi nkoko nabagambira ndi regional election officer wa Fort Potro region Midwest aho kugira ngo tukabana turonda facilities nari umwanya go kubasa kwatara abana barengire 12 twashanga ntare school mugo mwanya uko kubasa kubakwata kuba bine kishayi bine na stadium so twashaba management na commission kugira ngo batereze umwanya gwantare school tere makaru
nzasima kagisi awa GNTV agarukosyo babaze kwendera ubururu kandi nuko umagingo gasha ibiruzitiro bakarangirira umuhanguzi kandi ogu abatangirije kureka bari ukibina ecya NRM mwine tumwebaze orije no kwihangurira ubururu kandi atyo akabasa kugira ngo naje ategerize kurahira okushwekera eminyeto ya burenge bwizoba umushengero eri12 ahubwo ahireyo ubururu bukwika 15 na mushanju okugira ngo bunde argayo ayivrekera abandi omwishengero izo baranyuma abazyo abebembeza barwo bembere minyeto kurga hande ngo z'amagombora baryo no kwejumbera umukaruru kabo okubasa kusherera umunyishengero yaje cyere minyeto abo burenge bwiza bwihangari ya Uganda nebyange bindo kwito ihangari ya Uganda umushengero y'umurundo gwi 12 kandi akaruraka mu burenge bwiza bwihangari ya Uganda katerirwa mu rembo orwambar Manyuma y'akarurako kuterwa nangwa na buri kimwe cyone kigenzero misho enshayi zigire kubera shayi kumizo mwabazyo karigiye katanduka kubarwa kandi amashemerwa gabenga rebuka ahamisho gabahagizi ababine ba candidates babo abesimbira mu karuru burko babemba shoma karuru cye hona buzuma bereka amashemero
Barbara 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 4950.
akaruraka nuko kubatyo aha magingo gasha 12 n'eshweka zo mwabazyo nakubasa kweza kubarwa kandi hona buri muntu akashemerwa bwanyuma yo kumanya icyaragwamo
Has 1557 votes.
Omagingo gasha ibereze cyoro obena kurra karurako w'ikitenisa atujire Ismail Taka arigere yono kwata kazindaro kandi honatyo yalangerra ebyarugum karuromo arukwereka batera karuru abasinga n'abasingwa na buryomo wena owatera karuru
Nakand Babla, independent, and was using crook as a symbol, got 404 votes. Oweki Sadebula of NUP political party got 9 votes. Tumwewa Zemine of NRM got 1,557 votes.
Mwanyuma yo kurgaye no kureba ibyona no kubarira nangwa no kubarabara buri kimwe cyone kwitengesa argiye no kurangira rubira kwatira ikibina cya NRM bendera tumwebaze mwine orugire yakahangura karurako no bururu 15 na mushanjo arukusinga abandi munana ababena hakahakana nabo
tumwebaze mwine who has obtained the largest number of votes to be elected candidate for the Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament. Signed, the returning officer, Atrisha Ismail Taki.
Bwanyuma yo kurangirwa kandi nangwa no kumanyisibwa kuno yabasize kusinga hona tumwebaze mwine n'abatahibe n'abahagizi beye barje no kwereka kamashemerwa bakujaguza bakushemer obwa hate naija kwija kuba narahira mu kwezi kwa gatano kandi na watyo atandike kuhereza iminyeto y'uburenge bwiza bw'ihanga rya Uganda kandi ona nawe takayibwa ngo karuraka kagenzero misho ombinde byanga ukwetora ihanga rya Uganda Zasima kagezi ahabwa GNTV umurembo mbara ebyemenyeto nuko kubibasize kugenda izari hanyuma abaziho kandi kampamye ngo buzima buri kimwe cyona twakikuretera kugira ngo kamanya nicyo kigenzero mu misho izoba ryona umurembo rito orambara tokurgaho tukaza mu district ya Rukungero honaho kibire cyo mutano kandi buzima hona cyargeyo no kugambwaho bwanyuma yo kugira ngo wa NRM agiye no kusinga entebe yo bwa meya ahabwa Rukungero municipali kandi bwanyuma y'imyaka 20 atyo wa NRM yabasa kwebemberaho Rukungere onjimanywa ngo kitenisa Boaz Matita nwarje no kuhangura ukibine cya NRM kandi ari kusinga batahibe kandi ho netebejo ebe yamara imyaka 20 umukono ewe kibina ecya fada cha origire yo no kugira ngo naje kuhumura bwanyuma yo kweza imyaka nyamwingi ari kwebembera umunyamakuru witu Saul Akanyushka yaturetera byinshi obwa hate byafaye birgireyo no korwa mu district ningasho municipal ya Rukungere bwanyuma yakajogo k'imyaka 20 okorwe no kuhenderwa omuntu omwate Boaz Kansime Matita origere no kuhangura karuru ko kubasa kuba meya wa municipal ya Rukungere bwanyuma y'imyaka 20 yaba opposition babe bamazere barukwebembera municipal ya Rukungere
Boaz Matita
omukarura karigireyo no kuterwa ahizoba ryo rwakabiri sabiteji akobwa bameya hona omuriro kunjeri nako kakargayo katerwa kandi Boaz Kansime Matita w'ekibina ekya NRM nwargireyo no kahangura kandi akarangirwa arukurangirwa returning officer wa municipal ya Rukunjeri w'ekitinisa Namara Abbas hari kugira ngo wa NRM akiyayo bururu 1559 kandi hona rukusinga Dennis Ngabirano w'ekibina kya People's Front for Freedom awihireyo bururu 1526 nangwa na Okito bari kudende w'ekibina kya Jema awihireyo bururu 98 bwonka.
Having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration of results form in accordance with Section 147 of the Local Governments Act Cap 138, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate are as follows. Barikudembo Tiko of Jema, 88 votes. Kansime Boaz Matita of NRM, 5,759. Ngabirano Dennis of FF, 5,126. Total number of valid votes cast for candidates is 10,973. Total number of rejected ballot papers is 130. The total number of ballot papers counted is 11,103. Total number of spoiled ballot papers 26. Accordingly, as returning officer for Rukunjeri Electoral District, and in accordance with Section 147 of the Local Governments Act Cap 138, I declare Kansime Boaz Matita.
Matita naija kuza ombigere byoroho bwa hatiya urukumanga Charles Mukuro w'ekibina kya Forum for Democratic Change obere yamara emyaka nyamwingi arukwebembera municipal ya Rukunjeri ahubwo kubogu abe yamara ebisanja 8 byonka arukwebembera ku rugo mwaka gw'1996. Mukuru akargayo no kurangirira kakwija butagaruka mu byo kwesimba bwanyuma y'imyaka 40 yabe yamara mbwebembezi kandi ogotakayibwa no yabandize no kuba meya Rukunjeri Echere Town Council kandi mpaka yijo mwaka gw'2010 yabereye municipal yagumiza mu kwebembera ekikumanyisa ngo bwa hate abe yamara kire karingwa arukwebembera Rukunjeri municipality. Rukunjereje nemanywa nka district ninga shinga municipal ina abantu bingi aboro bajura habura government ahabwo kuba no bwa hatiya ow'ekitinisa kano Dr. Kiza Besigye wahumwira mahena argo mu Rukunjeri kandi one iki kitwire ncereka ko Rukunjeri ina abantu bingi aba opposition bita bwa hatiya omukarura karije kuterwa kibira bina mukaga abikibina ekya National Resistance Movement NRM barjiriyo no kweyerra kandi nangwa no kutwara imyanya nyamwingi emihango mu district ya Rukunjeri cyo kumanyisha yona municipality egarcyo mikono ya NRM. Julius Akanyijuka ahabwa GNTV mu district ya Rukunjeri. okubasa kurgayo no kumaraho akajogo kevina ebyo rubajoro habura government turku rwoko tukazo mu rurembo rwaitu orwa Kampala Peterson Sozi oguno mukama wa hoteli erukumanywanka ya Sozi Kiral obwa hataro na itombwita mwanyuma yo kugira ngo omugigo mwe arigireyo no kubasa kumutahiriza kandi atuyahenda ebiragiro bya koti nuko atyo okushenya hoteli ye yishweka kandi obwa hati Peterson arona agira ngo nikimuteganisa munonga Peterson otakayebwa kandi ho natwire ari umukoti na hozana n'umugigo ngu abo kugira ngo akamutahirira ahitaka kandi kishwa ngo mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda akargayo no kuhereza enchwa muye ahanshongezo naro kugira ngo Peterson bamurekere umwanya wo nangwa na hoteli ye batajukwataho ngo bitu omugiga rengeroho ebyo tyabihurra obwahati ekyabarokore barono bebuza yaba mukuru w'ihanga ebyagamba nebabzimura abantu kandi bamurabyo mwamisho yargayo no gamba no munyamakuru witu arakushaba mukuru w'ihanga kayongera kutaho munshongaze ahabwo kuba ebintu nshayona byamurgo mu ngaro obutamanya muntu wena mu government nangwa no butagira sente zo kwemarira n'obundu kuburwa gamba nubwo jaronje yongera kuri tobuzubo mundu mu ihanga rya Uganda obwahati omugigo mu murembo rwa Kampala aragire no kushenya hoteli yo muherezo umwe urikumanya Peterson Sozi okwe omuri makindye omuri Kampala abo kugira ngo ubwo hona na mutoro kwibitakari munyamakuru witu abasize kuhiko muri Kampala kandi hono kubasa kurra emanja okuzoroho zigendo misho kandi mukuganira hona mukama wa hotel ero kumanke ya Kral Sozi hona Peterson Sozi arigire no kugira ngo bwahati yabuzuma ikintu kironje muri wago mungaro ngo habwo kuba nemishango akagiteye ko mukoti yahurwa bitu tine cyashazerwemo ekironje mutera hansi
bailiffs just demolished the house halfway because half was on the contested plot and half was on my plot where I was rearing chicken, especially the Croyer chicken, promoting it to all of Uganda, and that's what is remaining now. And now where we are here is where the elders, national meetings of National Fellowship of Born Again have been meeting here. It was during the time of campaign in October. I couldn't do anything. They bounced on me and then realized this is where the first robot in Uganda was launched by a Supreme Court judge, and we are victims of justice in Uganda. I appeal to the President, please come to my rescue. Come to our rescue as elders, as Born Again.
bitu no bwarabe nachichura yargaye no kusima mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda abo kugira ngo akataha umunshongaze kandi yazihurira yahwa mwincha muye bitu enchwa muye yejo ergereyo no kurengwaho kandi abantu batakamanyure batahira umwanya gwe bagushenye urubajo rumwe bwahati cyari kugira ngo kironje musisere bintu
very thankful to His Excellency the President of Uganda whom we have just elected for having intervened in this case last year, in fact last October 2024, and he was surprised that a senior citizen like me, they can take away my house, a dream house, and yet he's been pushing out a lot of decrees that bona fide occupants cannot be let out. And this is marking a Kizungu where I've been living with my family for the last 30 years.
ahashonga yo kubuza bwa yabaye n'icyapa cyitake ryo nangwa n'ibyayombekeraho biri yo muringo murungi Sozi yargaye no kugira ngo ubuzima buri kimwe cyona kiri yo muringo murungi kandi n'ibyapa byine tine cy'umuteganisa
with a lease, and the title was there, and the judiciary, they know what they did. They put all that down. In fact, one of the magistrates, when he looked at the case, he said this needed redress, but we could not go to the Supreme Court because all the time they were not looking at my document, not looking at my agreements. The man is a briber. I mean, there's a lot of corruption in the judicial. I'm sorry. A lot. They didn't look at any of my
amukuganiraho na bamwe ahanshongeze aharimo Dr. Africano Mageze arge no kugira ngo umwanya wo gubengo bayamba munonga kandi hebabemba shabera ikiyasha aba government kutaha umunshonga ekayamba mutahi wabo.
This place got a challenge, and half the house was sliced like how they slice bread because of a land wrangle, and part was taken away. But we thank God that the owner is still willing to do the work of the fellowship, and he's still hosting us. But it has pained us, and we've really been asking God to show himself real, because he's a God of justice, and we are praying that the one who did it should get saved and understand what it means to do such things to other people. But we thank God that he has kept us whole, and the owner of the place has released the matter and let God to take over.
kandi mu kuganiraho nabwo n'undijo muhereza Bishop John Mwekero narge no kugira ngo we ubwa hatiya ibintu ebi byine ko yongera kushuma mu amana gahigoro kandi yarge no kushaba government okugumanereka imishango yasharwam ekabana iyo yakorwa biti batari bantu okurge no kutahira imyanya y'abandi.
First of all, I want to thank the government because the judiciary has come up with the issue that when you have an issue with somebody, by the time you are going to court, the judiciary says first go back and negotiate. Go and go and talk to your friend, to your opponent, or to the person you think is not good, and you can finish the case before you bring to the court. And I think if our neighbor here had that kind of thing, and our friends has already said, yeah, let's sit down and talk. If he had taken the matter, I believe the matter could have been solved in another way. So, but this issue of grabbing the lands and also, making enmity with everybody is not very good. To us, we advise as the church that the government should really practice this issue of people to go back and negotiate first of all before they have come to the court.
Omugiga manyorenka John Sentongo hona nwarwejekerwe manje zo kubasa kuhenda hoteleji kandi mukugezaho kuganira hono munyamakuru witu ngo bundi twabasa kuroro bajurre hona esumwe zikumanyote zibasize koraba kandi obwa hatiya tikironto musherra okuganira hono munyamakuru witu Twehe Ronald ahaba GNTV amurembo rwa Kampala. Amurembo rwa Kampala ntiyitikiri kandi hono bwa hatiya ministries zitari zimwe na zimwe zirozigendo mnisho no kubuganaho akakiko akarakujunaniza bwa habyembalira no kushishuma byembalira mu ihangiri ya Uganda okugira ngo bakabasa kufitema impenda kandi bareba za ministry nizitinga ki ahabo mwaka gwibye sente ogwibiri abiranamukaga ibiri abiranamushanju akakiko ningashi ministry eyebyamataka na ministry eyebyamani ningashi energy and mineral resources bargireyo nabo no kubasa kubuganaho akakiko kandi mu kuganiraho n'abanyamakuru bitu barajya bagira ngo betenga sente zo kwika billion 23 ezerabayambaho mu kuvuza amashanyarazi ombyaro kwa hansi nangwa no kureba ngo batandikaho energy gas kandi bajubuzya umuyangari ya Uganda. Za ministry zitari zimwe na zimwe zikiro zigendo misho no kubasa kurebukaho omisho gakakiko kakujunaniza bwahambarira okubasa kuteka yo embarira yabo uyu mwaka gwibye sente ugwibirabira mukaga ibirabira mushanjo kandi hona nabwiza ari anyuma bazyo akakiko akarakujunaniza bwa ahabyamani ningashi natural resources bargireyo nabo no kubasa kurebukaho omisho gakakikaka no kugira ngo bunde bakabasa kutwara embarira yabo bari banike cyo kugikora omukaye embarira yabo uyu mwaka gwibye sente ugwibirabira mukaga ibirabira mushanjo aba natural resources bargiye no kugira ngo nibetenga sente zo kwika billion 23 ezerabayambaho gukora imirimo yabo omuryezo no kubasa kurgayo no kombeka umwanya ugurwa kugwa nuclear energy server no muihangiri ya Uganda kandi n'ibindi bintu.
At our end as Natural Resources Committee, we were able to inform the minister when we interfaced over the BFP that probably the institutions that as rare might have been a better place, because rural electrification is something that is largely driven in a projectized way. It is difficult to run it as a service. It is better run as a projectized activity. And as we know, the ministries as mainstream institutions of government are not the best places to run projectized kind of deliverables. So I believe this is a debate, a conversation that Parliament should be happy to engage in, because it's becoming dire, it's becoming embarrassing that almost everywhere rural electrification projects are becoming an issue of lamentation. Many of our colleagues are probably not carrying DR forms declaring them as a duly elected members of Parliament. One of the most critical aspects where people got indicted was the failed rural electrification projects. This is just what I wanted to share with this committee as I take leave of the chair.
Thank you. This is
omukinde cyo babaze kurgeno gambaho barije no kugira ngo nibenda kutandika kuvuza amashanyarazi aga rural electrification okuzombyaro ko ngo ahubwo kubwa hatiya byaro byinje tibyine mashanyarazi.
You know the days of Urea
you know what the government of this country was able to achieve in that particular sector. And you know, since that time, anywhere in Uganda, tell me any project that has taken off since REA was moved from wherever it was to where it is now. Talk of at least one, only one, and tell me. And you who are in parliament, in the next parliament, you are going to face the same problems if you don't put your feet down and make a very strong recommendation to that effect, what he's saying. I think let's not shy away from some of these issues.
Or remove the leaders.
The move might have been well intended. Where did it emanate? It emanated from only two people, Mr. Turekayo and his deputy, who could not work together. And in the process of trying to sort out the conflict between two individuals, they did away with the whole good project. This is something that can be urged.
ahashogeza nuclear energy bagira ngo ihanganire yetenga munonge kintu eki abo kuba abana bakabashomesa kare kandi bahereze kuri kati bategerize government okubasa kubateka mu kasente kandi hona bakatandika gukora imyoga yabo.
150 billion is not specifically only for land. It is for prepared networks. For instance, the feasibility studies of this hydropower, nuclear power plants has not been completed. The initial works have happened, but the ministry requires more resources.
You say the feasibility studies have not been completed.
They are not yet concluded.
But the works have started.
No, the works have not started either.
Tuhe Ronald ahaba GNTV amurembo rwa Kampala. Akakiko akenshonga za government zebyanga nabo barije no kubuganaho akakiko ako okubasa kutema empenda no kureba nabo eba kwetenga omumbalira y'umwaka ubwo byesente gwibiri 2026 2027 obundi tokamanya bakabasa kuyambaho za government zebyanga omuntasya omukwetungura no mu ruburumwe amukuganiraho no munyamakuru witu bwanyuma y'urushitamarwabo n'akakiko k'ebyesente hona bingi barije no kwiroka nangwa no kushobora enshonga zo kugira ngo ubwa hati obutare oburyo muza government zebyanga okumbyanga hansi no bwetenga okubasa kongeza bwa mamani okugira ngo ubundi abantu bakayongera kuganyurwamo abo kuba ngo nubwo bukutahiza abantu. Obo kwetegurira embalirira y'umwaka gw'ibyesente gw'ibirabiranamukaga 2027 negendo misho za ministry zitari zimwe na zimwe kwete ihanga ya Uganda zero zigendo misho no kubuganaho akakiko akarikujunanizubwa ahabyesente mu ihanga ya Uganda okureba okuba kwasa kufite empenda kandi bakarebuka ngo bateka imbalirira zabo bazishwijuma bucerkare baranje kikwetengesa n'ikitakwetengesa bakihamu kandi ibintu byagendo misho. Ministry kujananizwa hashonga za government zebyanga hona nababa barigireyo batyo kandi hona babuganaho n'akakiko akarikujananizwa hashonga za government zebyanga akarukwebembero w'ikitenesa Honorable Mapenduzi nkamukuru wako amukayimbalira yabo no kwereka bakwenda kora mu mwaka gw'ebyesente gw'ibirabiranamukaga 2027 abingi barije no kwereka bakwenda kora kandi Honorable Bet Ethernarima uri umunyishengero kazahabwa abantu ba wakiso arije no kugira ngo ubuzima akakiko ak'iby'ubururu kene kurgayo no kutema empenda kakateka ho kurebuka ngo bacyamana bentebe zo kubanza baterwa karuru bwanyuma y'akarura k'ebiro nabyo kwezi kwa kabiri nakaba cyamane bentebe za kashatu.
Chair, I getting now to the point. In addition to what you've already raised concerning the elections of LC1s, because from what they have been telling us continuously, we expected, as we have on 4th February the elections of councils at LC3 level, we also expected the continuous program of the Electoral Commission to indicate the seriousness of what we've been talking about, where we've been having extensions. So we expect the minister to clarify more. But on top of that, can we get to know why in this presentation we are not seeing the planned increase in remuneration of all our fellow colleagues, the leaders in this country? Recall that LC1s and LC2 chairpersons, they are 10,000, and it's so demeaning to talk about someone who has been planned for.
Actually, the LC1 chairpersons are 70,000.
anshonganiza zumwe abanyishengera abandi bargereyo no kwimusa inshonga yo kugira ngo butare bwina kongerwa mu akasenta kandi ubwo no bwambekero kwito ihanga ya Uganda nango abarukushaba nabo bona barkwasa amateka okubinga bakuza hankuto omisho go butaro
kati twina abantu aba bakwatu wako abantu abo kubagoba wabwe bakolere munda kubanga bakisaba okuzimba obutalo bava mu kusaba kw'abantu musana kutukuba enkube tukuba ebweru tewamala ntuzimbira obutale ne tubuzimba naye kati batandise okuddayo munda nebatungira omwo omudaala weege mumala n'abo obuduuka obwebweru bumala. Ekirala bagambye nti waliwo programs ezijja zonna ne zigwera mu mambuka ga Uganda ate nga ebifo ebirala nawe obwavu we buli naffe twakizuula ate ne tusaba eriwero lw'enzooli naye bagyongere kwaba babalibwa mu baavu kati kiri mu nkola era esente bwe zinajja naffe abeeruwero lw'enzooli nabo bajja kubabala mu bantu abeetaaga obuyambi nabo baveeyo bakole bulungi. Kati PDM ekibuzo bono expert yagenda okiddamu.
Honorable Bone Kasheija Mutungi oguru kujanazwa hanshonga zibyo kubuzya nangwa no kushuganisa emirimo ya PDM omuyihanga lyona na wabaze kukikomora kikoro kandi hona omukuganira n'umunyamakuru witu agere no kurabura bona bakushashura sente abantu kugira ngo ubundi bakabahereza akasente ka PDM kuba kwija kwatwa kandi aba bukuhereza yo sente nk'ekituga nirija kufoberwa
nakakade kalamba ekinzira kati getukozesa eno wendi kufuna esanga busimu government esasula bu transaction yona so njagala kusaba bannaffe abo baganda baffe abakyalimba PDM beneficiaries nga babagamba nti balina kusasulayo obusente mitwalo 5 gumu kubanga batubulira batata ne bamama baganda bange nsaba ogumuze gukome ng'omukono gw'ekyuma tegunaabatuukako kubanga obwe buzibu bukulu bwempulidemu ntambudde nnyo obwanga lyonna nga tuli mu kameni president obuzibu obukulu kwe kulimba abo abantu nti bwagala sente zakubayingiza mu kompyuta ezo sente zonna gavumenti ezisasula teri muntu asaanidde kusasula sente ndekatuwadde 10 kubanga gavumenti esasula mu Buganda ekisooka tukola ne abantu civil servants tukola ne cows tukola ne RDCs tukola ne sub county chiefs tukola ne muluka chiefs tukola ne community development officers agriculture secretary abo bonna abakozi ba gavumenti basasulwa tebalina sente zebasaba computer zezikozesa ku miluka gavumenti yazigula ate yazisasula zonna data gavumenti egirawo sente basako managers ebaweerezayo ka simple facilitation so tewuli muntu omu asabulwa asaana kuwa esente yonna nti ayagala sente za PDM ekikulu bw'oba emitendera giyiseemu bakuyigiriza bulungi nawe n'obawulira kyoyagala kukola osaana kufuna akakadde kamu kalamba sebo nyawo oba tokafuna tutuukirire tulabe ani oyo yakugamba tayagala sente za kuyingiza mu kompyuta.
Tuhe Ronald ahabwa GNTV omurembo Kampala. Turukweyongerayo kandi turugarukaha omurembo rwitu orwambara obwahate hariho umushuburo ningashi omushomo gw'ebyo mushuburo ebyo kubasa kosa ebintu by'obuhangwa ningashi organic mu ihanga ryitu rya Uganda na mnongo mu burenge bwiza bw'ihanga rya Uganda kandi ubwo ngugendo misho omurro buyenje erukushangwa omulimbarra site aha no murembo rwitu orwambara kandi abashobozi nyamwingi barone bagwijumdiramu ogukwija ku marebero bishatu kugendo misho Onesimus tumuseme twasima ori mukuru wambara site United Organic Farmers and Traders Cooperative Society yargayo no kwiga abashubuzi nabo nabantu abarkwenda kwiga okubasa kwija koreka mwere kogo kandi bakareba nicyo cyo kigendo misho no kwiga okose ibintu byo bahangwa omukubasa kongera omugaju ombintu byabo
mwareko yo buhangwa ningashi cyo wakwasa kuta organic so mukarimikita kache guriyo ni kugendo misho omurembo rwitoro rwambara omuriro buyenje ari Irembo Gardens omore kogo gutebekanisiwa wa Western Uganda Revival Network more kogo gutanikirizo bere yanyimwaze birabera na munana ni gwija kugendera kimwe mpako rwa mukaga ibirashatu na kimwe ibyo ko kubanza kandi omore ko nugo gumwe harimo gukora ibintu byinji munonga ebiremenya mishwa nkamaya gonya obunyankogote nebindi byinji rugamba ho nogo rukurura ebinyamisho ebi ageze okutoreka ko abantu bakubasa kwija kubirambura kanangwa na nakasente kacha ko kubasa kushashura
tujya hamoreko hariro buyenje tubaletire ebikoko byinji tubaletire binyamishwa nkagonya iba kweta crocodile tubaletera monitor lizard iba kweta enswaswa abandi omundime zindi ne bachete kishamba twabaletera obunyankogota obuhango akanyankogota kitwine kajya mu myaka 50. Twine ebindi ebikoko byingi, twine ebinyonyi nkamaya ebakweta ostrich, twine nyamunyonyi ebakweta peacock na n'ebindi bintu byingi. Aha mworeka ituri okutaho mu mworeko notahira mu busha deno kureba ebikoko byitu no shashure 20 zonka.
Omworeko ngo gumwe abashubuzi nyamwinja bakudirinjiro mbyebyo ebyo buhangwa ningashe twakwasa kweta organics kwenda kwihamu akasente nangwa no kutungura amakagabo nembereho yabo.
Garigiro mwochi gargo mashikagete garga oyirizeze zo kureba
bagezeho kutoreka uko bari gukora ibintu ebi kandi nangwa batushobora n'emigasho yabyo na no kuba kubasa kubikora.
Nyine products zanjaha ziretira abantu ba Uganda eziri organic ezitari mu chemicals z'abajungu kamba tandikire na net shower gel nikijikoro mu mapapa omiyembe omicungwa abantu mwena mwije mujerebereho mwije munabe murga bisabundi buri mu chemicals ebikubarwaza
umutungi w'ebishorobwa kandi omujunzi wa kasasiro ejo ntihamu itaka kwa warebireri itakeri nukora nka fertilizer, compost fertilizer ombihingwa ndiyo kureba mpaha rupakingire turukora omubuntu bushanka nko bwato bwa karobo bayisizamwe amarwa iteka mu kasasiro yitu tujunza tuhamu fertilizer ebyasikara ebitakosa kuba fertilizer tuhamu ibyo byenkoko.
Nyewe ko muntu ninkora ibintu bingi kandi ndi mukugu umukora oil kurugamba bisaka byite bya buri kilo ezo kujaja bendwere nyingi ndese byo kuriya birungi nka organic chia seeds naleta castor oil naleta rosemary oil naleta na products ezindi nyingi ezo kujja konyera omuntu wena rukundora.
Abantu binja mu town babaso kutabona shusha kongito tukora makasano tukapakinga shusha chirimu ena echozi ngeni chinte chukatene echozi chimwe chikongo chazi so tupakinga kasana ko kugira ngo nano muntu uri kubasa kubari mu town abase kabona ariye shusha ngo umutima
hona bo bamutsa abatebenkanisa abutushangira hamwanyo bagezeho kutugambira ngo gumo ekiti kikabahoga kandi nico cyo kubanza mu mwanyogo kandi bashara mu kweta abantu bona kubija bakareba bakega bakamanya kwenda kujugera imbereho mirungi ubwo bari kose byo buhangwa uko bisahoje
nti mwijo mu mwanyogo murebe bintu ebyo mutunge contacts n'abakubikora nemwe mwego kubikora habo kuba harimo na skills over skilling mwego kwekorera mbazi mwego kwekorera byo kurya nuko turuge harebe bitukurya bikukosa amagara gate
aho tukumanyisho ryo wa dini ki orwa rurengo ki orwa karicha ki orwa gabiroa buri muntu wena no bano ija okubasa kureta ibyamaguzi byawe narishe byo rukora ebyo kubasa kwereka okaguza ninga soka basa kwereka address yiba kubasa kushanga erindi izoba bakabasa kuyija kubikuya
munonga kandi na bimwe ebikozirwe ebitukozire omagezi gaitu no mu bintu ebiturukuhinga ebiturukora omu byo kurya omu njoki no mu bintu ebinde birukuruga omu bijuma biryaha twamaze kubireta aha bwene tubeta abantu barahanga mwena okwija hamwe aha mukorogo na hamwore kogu ebintu nibingi ebiryaha ebyo rukubasa kugura bikakugasira habwa amagara gawe kandi nahabwe ntunguka yihanga ryawe
omukorogo kandi baguta rwobuyenja hayirembo kugira ngo nabo bamanye omucyaro nayo ebirungi nibasa gukorwayo so nyenda kusima hanga habwizoberi kureba ngo batebekanise kandi buri muntu ya leta ecyo umugisha ubwo hanga yamuhire kugira ngo umuntu ebyarukora n'emikono ye nabireta abiguza abihamusene mureba habine emiyembe yabo abakaze bayine bibo byabo abakwekorera perfumes abarukora ebintu by'emiringo tariyemo buri yomwe narya kugira ngo umuntu hati ecyaro kuba nakora tarukora ndayonka kureka nakora no kutunda abo makagaitu abo burungi bwa government
uri korora more kogu Mr Onesimus arigambaho no munyamahorere witwa tsengwe shiti cyakabahoga kandi akikozire kwenda koreka abantu ngo byo buhangwa nabyo ntubasa kubikosa ibirunga kasasiro tuyihe kibase kutuyamba kandi tuhema akasente ako twakwasa kosa okutungura nyensi yitu.
Abantu bingi barakira kuba barebuza organics niki nebishaka konga kuba gambe bishaka bagamba organics abantu babane mamango ogu n'umufumu. Now nka cooperative society tutebenkanisa omwore koranganwa ogutwesire first edition annual Western Uganda Organics and Skills Trade Fair Exhibition 2026. Ejenerwa kikuru naha bwaci abantu bareke kugumana bareba ngo ibi bintu nebyabafumu. Organics ni magara, organics ni business. Nambwe abariyo ni batureba abaturikize turontu beta omoreko gwa Western Uganda yona ogwatandikeri izoba orwa kashatu ebiro 28 ogukuza kuwa Sande kibanza cyo kwa kabiri basebona banyabu abariyo ni batureba mwije abantu batandikire koreka mwije tubashomese tunabashomesa abakurugarira Northern Uganda twinena n'umugenyi mukuru omwami Chariton ari kurra organics mu Africa yona na waliyaha ariyo naija n'abandi binje bariyo nibija twina ba Bishop Stewart University Chambogo University so basebona banyabo abariyo ni batureba mwije mutaferwa mu gishogo.
GNTV agarukosi aro open omurembo rwambara
webare ariho openi okubasa kutoseho amahurire kandi hadakika ina izabasa kurabo magingo gitwa cyashatu z'icyo kiri Nyakazoba bantumwe amahurire agutwatwinire icyo kiri Nyakazoba nahiga basa koma webare iwe wena wabasa kureba GNTV kurige twatandikira mpaka muri yaga magingo kandi nimwe owabona uhurikiriza Good News FM ahakenana na mwenda katonyezi mukaga ntukusima ntukwebaza imwe mwena abatukoratara kutwetariye mwe na munonga YouTube mwebare kandi zuma ntibajyanga umugume n'umutoreba obutosha dizasimwe kagese nkugagari amazina ganje kandi izoba ryo rwakana n'intebekana samahurire gitagarkotse ne yabasa koma mu twije kurebana nyencha kare umutebekana saniyemwe rahanga yacu kunzere murare kurunje.